Now I'm doing this, which should be tons of fun. But I'm bored. What is wrong with me?
You're a sociopathic narcissist.
It was rhetorical, asshole. Who do you think you are, anyway? Some psychiatrist?
Let's find out.
What?
Bloody hell. If it isn't billionaire playboy Bruce Wayne.
No! Are you shitting me? What is wrong with you? Don't you think I would have done that had I wanted to? Half the fun of our relationship is the mystery. Now I know Batman is just some boring rich asshole with parental issues.
That's really reductive.
Thanks for ruining the funnest thing I had going. Now I don't even feel like torturing him.
Sorry, I thought it might be the kind of thing Harley would do.
I don't care about Harley. Wayne Tech promised an electric car by this year. I put a deposit down. Where's my goddamn electric car, Bruce?